Parrot has been making camera drones for years now, but the thing is they've always kind of focused more on the drone part of the drone than the camera part of the drone. Luckily, that all changes now though with the company's new ANAFI, which is a purpose-built aerial photography and videography drone. The first thing you'll notice about this guy is that it is definitely designed for portability. It's got this pretty sweet little folding arm design, not unlike the DJI Mavic Air. It's a little bit of a different folding action, but it functionally serves the same purpose. It just makes it a little bit smaller so it can fit in that case and make it easy to transport. Very easily fits in a backpack. You could even stuff this sucker in a purse if your purse is big enough. Aside from that folding form factor, really the other big standout thing is this camera right here. It sits on a 2-axis gimbal. It's got some vibration dampening. Another big plus for this drone is that it comes with a dedicated controller setup. So to use it, you just flip it open like that and then pop in your smartphone and you're good to go. You'll be able to see what the drone is seeing. But honestly, my favorite part about this is that you don't have to use your phone. You can fly this drone just with the controller itself or even just with your smartphone. So there are a lot of options in how you fly it. Now, don't get me wrong, the drone part of this drone is pretty great too. ANAFI has pretty much all the bells and whistles that you could want in a UAV. It's got a foldable design, it's super portable, and you have the option of flying with a dedicated controller or just with your phone. The only thing that's missing is obstacle avoidance, which it's worth noting does come standard in many other drones in this price range. So it's a bit of a shame that ANAFI can't autonomously avoid crashing into stuff. However, what it lacks in tree dodging skills, it mostly makes up for with other features. What really won us over with this drone is the camera setup. The camera itself is pretty damn good for a drone of this size. It can shoot video in cinematic 4K, it can shoot 21 megapixel stills, and the images have excellent contrast when you shoot in HDR mode. Now, that said, resolution and image quality honestly aren't even the best part of this rig. It's the camera's motion capabilities that truly make it special. In addition to lossless zooming, ANAFI's camera also has 180 degrees of tilt freedom, which means it can look straight down or straight up, which is fairly rare in the world of camera drones. Now, taken individually, neither of these features are particularly revolutionary, but taken together, the ability to look up, down, and zoom while flying ultimately gives you a greater degree of creative freedom and allows you to capture shots that you just really can't get with other drones. That is what's so special about ANAFI. So if you're considering buying a drone for aerial photography and videography, you should absolutely check out Parrot's new flagship. Just make sure you brush up on your tree dodging skills before you bust out your wallet.